Untruthful statements under oath and another inappropriate relationship.
Those are the reasons the Attorney General had to call for an emergency hearing in a case that 7 investigator Heather Cataldo has been investigating for months.
And Heather joins us now with the latest on what she's uncovered. Heather.
There have been questions from the very start about the protocols that appear to have been broken in this prosecution. Now, even more disturbing information is coming to light in this alleged sex crimes case.
In May, Michigan Attorney General Dana Nessel charged a cop and his stepfather with criminal sexual conduct. We're not using their last names to protect the identity of their alleged victim because Sean and Larry are accused of molesting Sean's young daughter. They both passed 3 polygraphs, and the Oakland County prosecutor refused to charge them because of a lack of evidence. But years later, the Attorney General's office moved forward on the case. And now the AG's case is coming under fire with concerns of potential perjury and an inappropriate relationship.
It is my ethical obligation to supplement the record and to inform this court as well as defense counsel about this information.
Just hours before our investigation was set to air Thursday, an Oakland County judge held an emergency hearing where the AG's office made a stunning announcement about their special agent assigned to the case.
It has also come to the light of the department that same officer in charge had a inappropriate relationship with the former Assistant Attorney General that was assigned to prosecute this case.
That former Assistant Attorney General is Brian Kaloje. Nessel announced in September that Kaloje was forced to resign after admitting to an inappropriate relationship with a victim in an entirely different sex crimes case from Isabella County. The AG's office also alerted the judge that the special agent on the case gave untruthful statements during her testimony at the 3-day bond hearing for the defendants. The 7 investigators were the first to uncover emails from Kaloje that raised questions about why he was working on the case when his grant didn't allow for it, including working off hours. The emails also show the alleged victim's mother trying to indirectly get Kaloje documents.
So this leaves open, obviously, a question of whether or not we even have all of his correspondence regarding this case of the defendants.
In light of the new information, defense attorney Alona Sharon asked the judge to release the defendants, even though the child's mother asked the judge to keep them locked up.
I want to ensure that it's on the record that I have concern for our lives.
Ultimately, the judge lowered the $250,000 bond.
I'm going to reduce the bond.
Sean and I are just eternally grateful that the Attorney General's office and Attorney General Nessel are taking seriously the obligation to thoroughly investigate Brian Kaloje and the cases on which he worked.
With that reduced bond, late today, Sean was released from the Oakland County Jail after 5 months in solitary confinement.
The other defendant was also released on bond tonight. The internal investigation into this case continues at the Attorney General's office. I did speak with Brian Kaloje's attorney. He has no comment about this. There's also a criminal investigation underway into Kaloje's alleged actions, as well as internal reviews at the 2 other prosecutors' offices where he works. So we will keep following this.